Our eyes are our windows to the world, yet so many of us unknowingly neglect their care. With age, the risk of vision problems like macular degeneration, cataracts, and even dry eyes increases significantly. But here's the good news. You can protect and even improve your eyesight by giving your eyes the nutrients they need. In today's video, we'll dive into the top 6 vitamins for eye health, why they're essential, and how to incorporate them into your daily life. Stick around to discover simple steps to keep your vision sharp for years to come. Let's get started. First on our list is vitamin A, specifically its active form, retinol. Found in foods like egg yolks, butter, and cod liver oil, this vitamin is critical for keeping your eyes lubricated and protected. Vitamin A helps you see better at night and prevents issues like night blindness and irritation from bright lights. One of the best ways to ensure your eyes get enough vitamin A is by taking a teaspoon of high-quality cod liver oil daily. This not only combats dry, itchy eyes, but also reduces redness and irritation, giving you brighter, healthier eyes. Next up, let's talk about lutein and zeaxanthin, often called the natural sunglasses for your eyes. These two carotenoids work hand in hand to protect your vision. Lutein enhances your retina's ability to capture light and color, while zeaxanthin acts as a shield against harmful UV rays. You can load up on these nutrients by eating dark leafy greens like kale and spinach, or colorful vegetables like squash and peppers. Don't forget about egg yolks, they're another excellent source. For an added boost, try adding moringa powder to your daily routine. Moving on to vitamin C, a vital antioxidant for protecting your eyes from oxidative damage caused by harmful environmental factors. Studies show that vitamin C can significantly reduce the risk of macular degeneration and help maintain sharp vision. To get your daily dose, include fruits like oranges, strawberries, and kiwis in your diet, along with vegetables like bell peppers and leafy greens. If you're exposed to pollution or smoke, you may need even more vitamin C to safeguard your eyes. Now, let's talk about zinc, a mineral that's absolutely critical for eye health. Did you know that your retina contains high levels of zinc? This mineral helps vitamin A activate in your eyes, supporting your ability to see clearly, especially in low light. As we age, zinc levels often decline due to illness, inflammation, or poor diet, leaving our eyes more vulnerable to conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. Replenishing zinc can help protect your vision. Seafood such as oysters, crab, and shrimp are among the richest sources of zinc. If seafood isn't your thing, pumpkin seeds and fortified cereals are good plant-based options. For an added boost, a zinc supplement of about 30 milligrams per day can fill in any gaps. Number 5 is vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your eyes by neutralizing free radicals. This reduces oxidative stress, a major factor in the development of cataracts and macular degeneration. Foods such as almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocados are excellent sources of vitamin E. Just a handful of nuts or seeds a day can provide your body with the amount it needs. For even greater benefits, pair vitamin E with vitamin C, as these antioxidants work together to keep your eyes youthful and vibrant. Additionally, vitamin E supports the moisture barrier in your eyes, helping to reduce dryness and irritation. Especially important for those who spend extended hours in front of screens. Finally, let's dive into omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for reducing inflammation and keeping your eyes lubricated. Omega-3s are especially beneficial for those suffering from dry eyes, as they improve tear production and prevent irritation. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are the best natural sources of omega-3s. For a concentrated dose, try taking a teaspoon of cod liver oil daily. It's packed with EPA and DHA, two omega-3s that repair and protect the delicate nerves and blood vessels in your eyes. For vegetarians, chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts are excellent plant-based alternatives. Including these in your diet can significantly reduce your risk of age-related eye diseases. There you have it, the top 6 vitamins and nutrients your eyes need to stay healthy and strong. From vitamin A and lutein to omega-3s, these nutrients are game changers for your vision. Incorporating them into your diet doesn't have to be complicated, and the benefits can last a lifetime. If this video opened your eyes to the importance of eye health, please give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What will you try first? And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more tips to keep your body thriving. Your vision is priceless. Let's protect it together. See you in the next video.